Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Bing Ads, Google Ads, Facebook Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, hello, can you suggest what I can do to increase conversion without increasing daily budget, and what can I do to increase our 1.41 click-through rate? So you are asking two questions. The question number one is increasing conversion without increasing daily budget, and the second is to increase your click-through rate. Okay, so both answers I can do it very well. I hope you have analyzed your 1.41% accurately, because you haven't shown over here, and I can assume that based on the 228 clicks, yeah, assuming this can be a right figure. Okay, so for your question regarding increasing conversions without increasing daily ads budget, okay, I have been saying this to many people and advising them on how you can increase your conversions without increasing your daily ad spending budget is to focus on your landing page. Believe me, you are paying for each visitor to land on your website, and you need to improve and optimize your user experience for that user. And if you are not willing to do that, you are actually going to waste money. So my suggestions over here is to work around on your landing page. I have created different videos regarding how you can boost your landing page persona, how you can improve. For instance, the English starts from the left side, how you can improve it. The logo captures the first thing. The form should be visible without even scrolling down. The timer should be over there to get the urgency. There should be a trust, authority factors, filling the price, the form over there, everything should be displayed over there, the maximum information displayed. So improving and yeah, improving your user experience on the landing page, plus using some few tips of urgency can help you. Plus I have also been recommending, and I also advocate regarding the use of email marketing. Email marketing still holds a very strong value regarding how you can add newsletter and how you can capture those emails and communicate with them on email regarding new deals, offer, discounts, so that people can remember your brand as a TOM. TOM means top of the mind. So whenever they start to remember about something, your brand should appear in their mind immediately. And to make it happen, you have to be constantly in touch with them. So have a presence on your social media networks. Ask your visitors to like your page on social media. Ask them to subscribe to your email list, so that you constantly keep on engaging them with the new content. It's not always necessary to sell a product, but you have to keep on engaging with them, so that whenever they need your product or service, your brand should immediately come in their mind as a first spot, and that can win conversions for you. So I'm here talking over here is to focus on your brand as a TOM on your consumer's mind, and the second is to improve your landing page experience. And these two tips can alone improve your conversions without even spending a penny on your Google ads, or improving more, or even optimizing your campaign. Now regarding your second question, and the second question is to increase your click-through rate and to increase your your click-through rate. What I can suggest over here, there are few things which you can do to increase your click-through rate, and that is like create small based ad campaigns, like one keyword for each land ad, or there can be a maximum of 5 keywords for each ad, so that the ads remain more customized, and also work a lot on your search queries and negative keywords. So that, because the thing to increase your CTR is first to understand the intent of the user with that a user is searching for a particular query. If you can fill that intent and show that in your ad that you are actually answering the intent with which you have searched the keyword, you are going to get the click on that. So to increase your CTR, work on the intent, and to work on the intent, you need to understand that with every keyword the intent is different of the user, and because every keyword or every query a user is searching, the intent is different, we have to target another ad with them. So work on creating more and more ad copies and structure your account with that. Also, you can add ad extensions, site links, calls, review, and that can also increase your let me show you one, and you guys have an idea on that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you two of the ad copies, and you can ask yourself that if these ads are appeared, how will they increase the customer interest and traction and to your ads? Yes, it will. You can see that this ad has a call extension over here, and review extension over here, side link extension over here, and then location extension over here, then pricing extension over here. You can also use these extensions. There are a lot of stuff you can use, and there is another ad as well. You can see over here that they are using social extension, review extension, call out extension, silent extension. So definitely these extensions also plays a role in increasing your CTR. Apart from having a more customized ad campaign with the relevancy, the ad should also have these extensions, and this can definitely improve your CTR and click through rate for your ad. So I hope it answers your question. So in case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads management or services, the details are in the description of this video. Even we provide SEO and landing page services as well on how you can reach with us. Just follow the link in the description. Plus, I want, in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a video like this, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you still have any questions, comments, suggestions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.